Helping people through one of the most challenging times in their lives can be incredibly fulfilling, rewarding, and even help you earn more income. If you're drawn to this, then a degree in addiction studies might be right for you. Stay tuned to learn about this exciting and rewarding career path. Addiction Studies degree. An addiction studies degree is a degree that trains you to help people with addictions. You focus on walking them through their road to recovery using methods and techniques. The job titles may vary, such as substance use disorder counselor or alcohol and drug counselor. Why addiction studies? Addiction studies is a fascinating field that aims to better the lives of others. But there are several other reasons for studying addiction. Here are 5 to consider. First, it's a growing field. The demand for addiction counselors is growing exponentially. According to the BLS, the job outlook is expected to grow 25% within the next 10 years. The field could hold as many as 300,000 jobs. Second, it offers a stable job. According to the BLS, the salary will vary depending on your location and experience. Your salary will also depend on your particular job and duties and if there's an opportunity to advance. Because there's so much growth in the field, good counselors who want to work and are certified can find themselves gainfully employed for years to come. What else is great about addiction studies? Well, you have many diverse work environments available to you, everything from treatment to research. The fourth thing to mention is that it's also rewarding and has a tremendous benefit for you in knowing the work you're doing is affecting the outcome of someone's life. Finally, for our 5th point, addiction studies let you expand your education and pursue higher learning. Getting a degree. Getting a degree in addiction studies starts with graduating high school or completing your GED. Then, you need to research and apply to the best schools that offer this particular degree. You'll also need to make sure you meet the educational requirements for entry and study. While you might think you need a 4-year degree to pursue this career, you can get a certificate or an associate's degree in addiction studies. Research schools approved for state certification. If you're a busy adult, working, family life, career change, and so on, trade schools like InterCoast colleges are perfect because they're flexible and you can take many of your classes online, tailoring it to your timeline. They know how busy adults can be and are flexible and accommodating. Much needed skills. People who wish to become counselors in addiction need soft skills, which are character traits or interpersonal skills. While hard skills are teachable, soft skills come naturally. For example, people with compassion, good listening skills, empathy, and a strong desire to see a person's well-being mended make exceptional counselors in substance use disorders. These skills can rarely be taught, so if you believe you're a person with these character traits, you may make an excellent alcohol and drug counselor. According to BLS.gov, addiction studies is a growing field with a rewarding career. With all the reasons to pursue addiction studies, such as growth potential, length of time in school, and unique job opportunities, it's a career that could benefit everyone involved. Do you want to learn more about addiction studies from InterCoast colleges? We've got you covered. Contact us today for more information so you can be on your way to a career you won't regret. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.